friend, and how are you? My guest for today is lovely Iana. Today I will cut a one-line bob haircut with a soft bangs. I hope it turns out well, and let's see what happened. It is simple here. I do the parting from ear to the ear and the central parting. Well done. The first strand is a very important strand. This strand will influence all next strands. It's like a butterfly effect from the movie Butterfly Effect. Fewer mistakes in the beginning, it's a fewer mistakes in the future. Please pay your attention to the angle of separation. It repeats the angle of the jaw. Now we are ready to cut. When I cut the first strand, I repeat the angle of the parting. Well done. It is simple here. My parting move up one by one. All the next strands I will pull to the first and copy the cut line. Now you can see why the first strands was so important. All subsequent strands are leveled on it. It's like a herd of zebras going all to the first. Trust yourself, but check yourself. It is simple here. I separate the strand, repeating the angle of the jaw. Find the shortest strand on the nape and draw a line from it. It looks like this way. The strands around the face will longer than at the nape, but when hair will dry, some of length around the face go into the volume, and the line will be straighter. And this is hairdresser's magic. Well done. Simple here again. I want to make a soft and light strand around the face. To do this, I elevate hair to the 75 degrees and cut it. Well done! It is simple here. I dry hair and brush it from the face to the back. That way, when hair will dry, it following the shape of the head, and the shape of the head is a ball. So in the finish, the hair will have a slight bend, repeating the shape of the ball. Well done. Here it's like in life. To see your mistakes, you should watch on situation with different angles. So I tilt the head at different angles and found mistakes and corrected. I would like it to be easy to correct mistakes in life, but you can make a hair straight with iron and cut ultra nano quadra super perfectly, but I will not. And now we're ready to enjoy the result. It was a pleasure to see you, my dear friends. My hugs to everyone. Well done, and see you soon.